Hello. So in this video, we want to understand one-step equation. One-step equation are equations that you just need a single step to solve it. For example, we have different types of one-step equation. We have the addition, one-step equation, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So in the addition one-step equation, something is added to what you are looking for. You are looking for y, but 5 is already added to it and you get 9. So what you are going to do is now to do the reverse operation of that. When you add 5, the reverse operation of that is to subtract 5. So we subtract 5 from both sides. So if I have y plus 5 equals 9, and I subtract 5 from both sides. Plus 5 minus 5 will give me 0. So on this side, I have y equals 9 minus 5 will give me 4. And that's how to solve addition one-step equation. In this case, we have subtraction one-step equation. So we have subtracted something from y, and after the subtracting, we get 20. What we are going to do is to do the reverse operation, which is to add that 7 that we subtracted. So we have plus 7, we have plus 7. So minus 7 plus 7 will give you 0. So you have y equals 20 plus 7 is 27. And we have solved that too. So in the case of multiplication, 3y is just to say 3 multiplied by y. So to get rid of this 3, we divide by 3, and anything we do to one side, we have to do to the other side of the equation. So divided by 3. So 3 can divide 3, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So y equals 7. Light work. So we also have the division one-step equation, where we have y divided by 4 giving you 20. Now we have to say y over 4 equals 20. Now we multiply both sides by 4. Now this 4 will cancel this 4 here. We have y equals 20 times 4 is 80. Easy. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and see you on the next one. Bye.